Hello everyone, I'm Tom. At AUDAC, we have dedicated the last 30 years in providing inspiring installed sound solutions for tomorrow's users. Today, I'm very excited to show you the passionate work of our team which has been accomplished in the past year. This virtual event will return in the brand's history books as one of the biggest loudspeaker launches, with no less than 8 loudspeaker types and over 10 innovations. Therefore, with a lot of enthusiasm, I would like to welcome you to our virtual product reveal. Please meet Chris. He will be giving you an introduction of the new features of AUDAC Touch and TouchLink.
Tom, thank you for the nice introduction. Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I will guide you to two realizations we are very proud of: TouchLink and AUDAC Touch 2. TouchLink is an ingenious system that can be used for creating virtual zones by linking multiple TouchLink compatible devices with each other. In AUDAC Touch 2, you can select multiple devices or amplifier channels that should react to the user as one zone. In addition, this innovation also offers two other unique features. Firstly, it's possible to set priority settings using the TouchLink innovation. It also allows us to organize volume offsets, which means that our outputs will be adjusted proportionally. You can set up TouchLink from the physical control panel of devices, but keep in mind that not all compatible devices feature a front panel, such as the AMP 203. That's why we recommend using AUDAC Touch 2. This will give you the best overview and allows you to have all of your configurations from one single platform. The compatible AUDAC devices are the AMP 203, which has network functionalities built in by default, and all other devices equipped with the ANI 44XT network interface, such as the MFA series, SMA series, SMQ series, PMQ series, and our brand new VEXO series, which you will learn more about later in this session. If you've been triggered by TouchLink and want to know more about this innovation, then keep an eye on our education platform, where we regularly organize webinars that go into more detail about this technology. At AUDAC, we invest a lot of time and resources in the development of new innovative solutions. Yet these would never be complete without an easy, intuitive way of controlling, configuring, and monitoring them. And that's where AUDAC Touch 2 comes into play, which provides you the best user experience for both the installer and the end user. You can automatically discover and configure each device separately according to the end user needs. After the configuration, you can start creating smart dashboards tailored to any type of application without the need of any programming skills. These dashboards can communicate with multiple devices and even third-party equipment all at once, making it an all-in-one hub for the customer and the installer. Our software team is constantly updating AUDAC Touch, adding more features and functionalities that will make your life easier and help you get the most out of your installation. Starting with the commander function. This is a great tool for any widget or multi-action command you would like to create yourself in AUDAC Touch, as we provide you with all TCP/IP commands for our products. This feature allows for even more flexibility to be added to the current dashboard design. But as I already mentioned, these functionalities are not limited to AUDAC products only. This new functionality also enables you to add third-party devices to which you can send commands to. This way, you can control beamers, television screens, video switchers, and many more from one single app. If devices can be controlled via TCP commands, you can add the device with its IP address in the dashboard overview and port and send commands directly. If devices don't have a TCP port, but do have an RS-232 or RS-485 port, you can use an APC 100 as a gateway to control the device this way. Lastly, we can send ASCII commands or hex commands, all depending on what the specific third party accepts. To ensure the best possible audio experience, we have completely redeveloped the Wave Dynamics configurator. This tool could previously be found in AUDAC System Manager. Yet, we are happy to inform you that this major innovation is now also available in AUDAC Touch. The updated audio configurator consists of 3 elements: Wave Dynamics, Wave Tune, and Wave Preset. The Wave Dynamics configurator enables you to import and export solution and speaker files as presets. It gives you access to a complete library of AUDAC solution files directly, and it enables you to create your own presets or edit and configure existing AUDAC presets. With Wave Preset, we provide installers with a quick and easy tool to make on-the-spot adjustments to filter presets, enabling us to optimize the sound of selected loudspeakers or create your own entire set. WaveTune provides installers and end users with an intuitive tool for adjusting audio processing in real time. It replaces the well-known equalizer functionality that most of our devices have. We're also including all necessary type of filters with WaveTune. Both our live tools, Wave Preset and WaveTune, are already available for most of our devices. Only the PMQ, SMQ and SMA series have to wait for their software update, which is coming soon. Using these audio configuration tools, creating the right sound has never been this intuitive. It is now possible to control and configure AUDAC devices without authenticating to AUDAC Touch Cloud. This provides you with the advantage that you can easily prepare projects upfront or create great demo experiences with your customers. Some other new features that we already released include set unified power limit for AMP 203, SMA, SMQ, ANI, MFI. Get device temperature implementation of EQ filter gain for AMP 203. We would also like to share with you some of the new features that are coming to AUDAC Touch. Device mapping. The goal of this feature is to add abstraction to the dashboard for devices so you can recouple devices in your dashboard. This allows installers to make their dashboards off-site, go to the location and remap the devices used in the dashboard. We will also introduce a new device list. Our ambition here is to have a better user experience. Auto discovery and device list are now one. When you discover a new device, it is automatically added to the device list. Installers are having a huge device list, which should be split into 2 lists. Oh, and maybe the best part of AUDAC Touch, the app is available for free on all major platforms, such as iOS, Android, Windows, Mac, and even Linux. With the help of cloud synchronization, all the dashboards you create will be saved online and can be opened on any different device. With AUDAC Touch, you have a total system control. If you're not familiar with AUDAC Touch yet and want to find out how it works, don't hesitate to follow one of our webinars on our education platform. This was a short introduction to AUDAC Touch and TouchLink. Hope you enjoyed it. Now I'm passing the word back to Tom.
We are extremely excited to announce the upcoming availability of our EMEO 2 professional three-way soundbar. Due to the growing demand for a clever yet qualitative audio solution in meeting rooms, classrooms, hotel rooms, and many more applications, we have given our beloved EMEO 1 a redesign. On the strengths of its three-way configuration and Class D amplification, we integrated Wave Select DSP processing. This smart, professional soundbar offers a crystal clear sound production with a stunning low frequency response. The unique speaker construction reaches a program power handling of up to 120 watts and can handle both 110 and 220 volts power supply. These built-in presets enable you to choose from a number of pre-programmed presets, enabling you to always find a preset that suits your needs best. Various input possibilities, such as an unbalanced line input, HDMI input, or an SPDIF input, allow compatibility with a variation of input sources, while an integrated 4.2 Bluetooth receiver allows optimal wireless connection with portable devices. Another upgrade we've made over the EMEO 1 is the USB playback capabilities to connect memory devices of your choice. Due to its frequent use in hotel rooms, we have given our soundbar the unique hotel mode function. This innovation allows you to assign custom Bluetooth IDs to your EMEO, which is extremely useful to distinguish them from each other in a large building with multiple rooms. To make this more practical, we can, for instance, name an EMEO's ID after the room's number. The auto standby function ensures that the EMEO is automatically put into energy saving mode, making the professional soundbar Energy Star compliant. This way, no unnecessary energy is lost, while the EMEO remains ready to play at any moment. Its versatility also reaches beyond the very simple controllability, allowing the EMEO professional soundbar to operate in a number of ways with a flick of the wrist. The quick side controls on the device itself allow input selection and volume control. The same tactical buttons also allow you to lock both input and volume, which again can be very useful in hotel or educational environments to set the right expectations. A feature worth emphasizing is the ability to set a maximum volume, which can limit noise pollution and prevent overspill to other hotel rooms, for instance. The setting you can do on the device and many more can also be done remotely, allowing you to control your audio at any location in the room with a push of the button. In order to blend the soundbar into any application, the EMEO 2 features an ABS enclosure with a fine perforated front grille, which create a very nice outlook. Through its clever included bracket system, the EMEO 2 can conveniently be mounted to walls of any kind of surface or location. The soundbar can be versatilely mounted above or below any projection screen. In addition, it is also possible to use the optional MBK 440 bracket to mount the professional soundbar onto a wall or any trolley that is compliant with VISA 200 to VISA 700. We are very excited to announce the availability by the end of June 2021. At AUDAC, we are working hard on the ongoing digitalization of our beloved sound industry. That is why we have introduced our new ANI 44XT Tanti audio network interface. This successor for the ANI 44 has the advantage that it is fully AUDAC Touch compatible. It enables you to have touchlane capabilities. It supports AES 67 protocols, and it has an improved noise and interference immunity. And the ANI 44XT is now available to be integrated into your next project. Empowering clarity. This is the aspiration that has led us to inspire the design of a high-performance two-way loudspeaker system that provides an exceptional accuracy and clarity coming from this refined enclosure. The VEXO family consists of 3 models, a 10-inch, a 12-inch and a 15-inch, and they are both available in active and a passive version. Now the low frequency transducer, which is made out of high quality materials in combination with the 1.7-inch four-scroll compression driver, enable high sound pressure levels and a tight driver response with a rotatable 90 to 70 degree coverage pattern. This is for a wide range of applications. Now the unique driver composition ensures that the VEXO 110 can achieve a program power handling of no less than 600 watts. The VEXO 112, 800 watts, while the biggest brother of the family, the VEXO 115, reaches up to 1000 watts. Yet the unique character of this series lies in the creation of a high fidelity, rich and vibrant sound. We really look forward to have you immersed in this sound experience during one of our next demos. Next to this, we are also happy to have full ease data available for your next projects. We have designed the VEXO series into a universal and flexible enclosure constructed out of plywood and a Duracoat top surface consisting out of polyurethane, making it resistant for any impact or abuse. Due to its high power output and the modern trendy design, we see this VEXO series as the ideal solution for bars, nightclubs, sporting facilities and much more applications. This is also the reason why we have finished the cabinet with a steel grille, making them perfectly fitted for sporting venues. Like for someone like myself who would hit the ball, I always see that going differently in my mind. Anyway, using an optional 70 to 100 volt line transformer enables the VEXO series to be used not only in low impedance applications, yet also in 70 to 100 volt systems. By simply removing the backplate and replacing it with an optional transformer version, the high-performance loudspeaker is ready to rock. By installing the optional ANI 44XT Dante audio network interface in the active version, we will be able to integrate the new VEXO series into any Dante-enabled AV network. In terms of inputs on the device itself, we can recognize important differences between the active and the passive variants. Starting with the passive variant. 2 compatible inclined speaking connectors can be found on the back of the loudspeaker, ensuring maximum elegance and easy link-through. Now let's look at the back of the active variant and see what connections and inputs we can find here. A PowerCon connector, 2 combo balanced line inputs, 2 balanced terminal block connections, a link-through XLR or terminal block connection, and last but not least, a RG45 connector, which comes with a blind panel unless the optional ANI 44XT is installed. This network connection allows us to enable Dante, touch, and TouchLink functionalities when the ANI 44XT is integrated. The easiest way to control the VEXO series is through our freely available application AUDAC Touch. This out-of-your-pocket total system control interface gives you the possibility to control your system from any desktop or mobile device of your own choice. The VEXO high-performance loudspeaker will be TouchLink supported, making it compatible to link with any TouchLink device. To bring the user experience of our active VEXOs to a higher level, we have also chosen to put the unique wave dynamics innovation, which we already can find in a lot of AUDAC amplifiers, inside the active version of our VEXO series. Thanks to the DSP processor that is built in, the audio control and processing technology enables any user to effortlessly control over the most advanced acoustic configurations. The integrated DSP allows presets for full range, satellite and custom configuration and can be loaded via a USB slot on the back of the device. after which our application AUDAC Touch on its turns allows you to complete equalization and create your own presets. In fact, when installing a ANI 44XT, you can even adjust all your presets and settings live from any place you desire. The optional Clever U bracket allow you to mount the high-power two-way cabinets both in horizontal and in vertical mode in no time at all, while the inclination of 125 degrees in both directions ensure an optimal positioning. This optional MBK bracket even allows you to mount the VEXO to the ceiling, which does not stop us from installing the VEXO cleanly into any environment. And if this doesn't fit your application, we have even fitted the VEXO series with 10 rigging points, allowing direct wall mounting or ceiling mounting. And next to this, the VEXO is also equipped with a power drive mounting possibility. Due to its robustness and reliability, this series can also be perfectly used for mobile installations. Therefore, we have equipped the VEXO series with a 35mm pole adapter on the bottom and a user-friendly carrying handle on the top rear side. We are happy to inform you that the VEXO high-performance loudspeaker series will be available in Q3 of 2021. We are thrilled to present you our new stereo active loudspeaker system, the ARA series. This dynamic speaker pair is combining an active and passive model and is housing the technology of two predecessors into one single solution. Initially, the LX523 gave you the possibility to connect a wall panel input, while the LX503 was only equipped with a line input. This is now a thing of the past, as the ARA series allows us to house this technology into one single enclosure. The two-way loudspeaker is carefully constructed out of high-quality components, resulting in a 5¼ woofer and a 1/2" high-frequency tweeter. This craftsmanship is combined with an integrated DSP that creates an extremely clear and powerful sound experience for a wide range of applications. We have ensured that the design of the solution streamlines with the rest of the AUDAC product portfolio. Through its ABS enclosure and by ensuring that the mounting bracket blends aesthetically into the cabinets itself, the ARAS gives you a more sleek and modern outlook than other solutions on the market. In normal operation, the two-way loudspeaker, including the integrated 2x40 watt amplifier, switches to standby mode when no signal is recognized. This ensures that the energy consumption reduces to less than 0.5 watts, making it Energy Star compliant as well. A switch at the back of the device allows us to enable and disable this audio standby mode when required. When looking at the back of the ARAS, we can discover the various input options our two-way loudspeaker has. This includes a balanced and unbalanced stereo line input, allowing convenient connection to any kind of audio source. Unbalanced audio sources are connected through a 3.5mm stereo jack connector, while the balanced sources can be connected to the terminal block input connection. A remote input connection implemented to an RG45 connector allows us to connect a wide range of compatible wall panels. With the new WP200 series, we can also expand our input possibilities to the remote input modules that are available. All these inputs are fully mixable, requiring no specific selection of inputs and ensuring a best-in-class user experience. These compatible W200 wall panel series not only offer you the option to further expand the input possibilities, but of course, their main function is to provide easy controllability to any user. The user-friendliness goes even further than controlling a single ARAS set, as one wall panel allows you to control and share inputs to up to 4 ARAS sets and quickly change inputs and/or volume. As you would expect from us, With the AURA series, we also looked for both aesthetic and end-user friendly installation possibilities. A well-thought design bracket system allows close-to-wall installation of the loudspeaker and makes it easier for the installer to ensure a secure mounting. With a versatile mounting possibility, we really mean versatile. This means that both the loudspeaker can be mounted horizontally and vertically, with an inclination up to 45 degrees on both sides. Due to the fact that the bracket itself consists of two 45-degree corners, installation in any corner or even the ceiling can be guaranteed. An optional MBK 455 90 degrees bracket even makes it possible to mount the AURA set to a smartboard or trolley, which allows the bracket to be neatly concealed. To ensure an optimal safety during and after the installation, the AURA is equipped with an M6 drop safety bushing. Due to its wide range of uses, we see the AURA as an ideal solution for school environments, presentation rooms, as well as bars, restaurants, and even retail environments. For these solutions, we really can't wait to have you experience the sound it produces. Please contact your local distributor for a free demo. We are happy to tell you that the AURA Stereo Active Speaker System is available from June 2021. With a lot of excitement, we move on to our next product series. The new WP200 series is a family of universal wall panels that, in addition to broadening the number of inputs of many devices, makes operating many AUDAC devices child's play. In order to create even more user-friendliness, the universal wall panel inputs will allow you to mix the wide range of local inputs. We will now take a look at the variants within the WP series and specifically which inputs we can find on which wall panel. The WP205 is tailor-made for the AURA series and allows you to plug in a microphone via its XLR input as well as a line input source connection using the 3.5mm jack connector. The WP2010 has the same input options, yet is a universal wall panel, which allows it to be combined with a very wide range of different devices. The WP220 is also a universal model and is equipped with an integrated 5.0 version Bluetooth receiver, while the WP225 all-in-one model of the series contains an XLR input and line input in addition to the Bluetooth receiver that the WP220 is also equipped with. By using twisted pair Cat5e or better cable, we can transfer high-quality audio up to 100 meters between the wall panel and the receiving device. Taking a close look on the front panel of the WP205, 210 and 225, we see the user-friendly level controls for mic and line inputs, as well as the Bluetooth pairing button with LED for the WP220 and 225. From this perspective, we can also have a look into its elegant design. We have carefully selected high-grade materials, such as hardened glass in black and white finish. These refined details will make them blend into any environment. All WP series are also compatible with standard EU 80x80 style in-wall boxes for both solid and hollow walls. Now, let's have a closer look at the back of, for instance, the WP225 and its respective connections. The dip switches at the back of the panel allow you to select mono stereo, a low-cut filter, a 12 dB switch for both left and right, a Bluetooth enable and disable switch, and a phantom power switch. The line input connections found on front of the wall panels are also available on the back, allowing you to conceal fixed inputs easily. This can be very useful when a classroom has a fixed desktop computer and there's no need to change the inputs. The WP220 and 225 support Bluetooth connection. Next to this, it will even be possible to program different device IDs to your preferable remote wall panels via a software tool we will make available on our website. Through its universal construction, the WP200 series are compatible with the ARA series, yet also with a very wide range of analog AUDAC devices such as the pre-100 series, the pre-200 series, the MTX series, the AMP523, and many more future upcoming devices. In addition, these remote wall mixers are also offering compatibility to any preamplifier, for instance, on the market. When connecting it with a 24-volt power supply, you can connect it to any device you prefer. I would also like to inform you that the wall panels we are presenting today are only the beginning of our full WP range, which will be greatly expanded in the future, so please do stay tuned. The WP200 universal wall panels is expected to become available in the beginning of Q4 of 2021. At AUDAC, we not only focus on the innovation of new products, yet also attach great importance to the further strengthening of our current ranges. In that way, we are pleased to complete our SMQ Wave Dynamics power amplifiers family with a model designed for installations that require a higher power distribution. Please behold our new SMQ 1250. The SMQ series are quad-channel power amplifiers providing a great acoustical performance with a bulletproof loudspeaker protection. By its availability in different output powers ranging from 350, 500, 750 and now also 1250 watts, the SMQ series provide an ideal solution for bars, restaurants, nightclubs, sporting facilities and many more applications. A great input flexibility and source compatibility is provided by the input selection matrix in combination with the XLR and terminal block signal connectors. Just like the SMQ 1250's smaller brother, we have again attached great importance on delivering an intuitive user experience. This conviction of creating user-friendly systems resulted in some important features that we have included into the expansion of the SMQ series. The incorporated Wave Dynamics DSP processor enables you to effortlessly master any acoustical challenging setting. By loading in the preset via the USB slot on the front of the device, you can easily do loudspeaker management to your own preferences. On the other hand, when the optional ANI 44XT is installed, our freely available application AUDAC Touch allows you to have full wave dynamics settings. Additionally, it will also allow you to create a multi-zone system with this by dragging and dropping your widgets from your channel onto your dashboard in Touch. This results in a true complete system control. AUDAC Touch is not only unique in the fact that it creates the best user experience for end-user control and installer configuration. In seconds, you can now also add temperature monitoring to your dashboard, providing a unique marriage of monitoring and control functionalities for applications such as high-performance venues. Another advantage that you get by installing the ANI 44XT is that you could now already create a true multi-zone system that is fully controllable via AUDAC Touch, enabling you to add widgets per amplifier channel to your own personal dashboard. Yet now, we are taking this to the next level by allowing you to have full touchlink functionalities to create virtual zones for not only the SMQ series, but also for the entire SMA and PMQ power amplifier series, and actually many more other compatible devices. In addition to this innovation, we also allow you the offerings of two unique features. The first one is the functionality of priority settings. The second one is organized volume offsets, which means that our outputs will be adjusted proportionally. In addition to the control possibility through AUDAC Touch, it is also possible to control the device through RS-232. In addition to that, by implementing the ANI 44XT optional Dante audio network interface, we will be able to integrate the new SMQ series into any Dante or IAS enabled AV network and control it easily. The SMQ 1250 Wave Dynamics power amplifier will be ready for sale mid Q3 2021. As already announced, we have been very pleased to present our Alti two-way loudspeakers to the market. This dynamic pendant loudspeaker with its acoustically designed enclosure and accurate craftsmanship guarantee a premium performance for a wide range of high-demanding applications. Because of its wide versatility and elegant design, we have added a wall-mount projector variant for both the 4-inch and the 6-inch version in our range. The wall speaker features a die-cast mounting bracket for any type of wall-to-ceiling application. A very often heard comment is that being able to combine the pendant and wall-mounted option is seen as a large advantage to create an equal sound experience with different mounting options. Now, in order to further improve these possibilities of our Alti series, we will now add even more accessories to our range. Because of the fact that the Alti M, which is the surface mount version, has an IP rating of 65 and is equipped with an aluminium grille with powder coating, the loudspeaker is designed to resist any type of weather condition. By now providing you with a stainless steel ground pin, all kinds of outdoor environments can be immersed with a premium sound experience. In addition, a pole mount adapter allows the Alti M version to be used in parking lots or mounted to light poles. Due to its qualitatively two-way construction, the loudspeaker delivers a great off-axis performance, making it ideal to produce both a clear sound production as speech distribution. You can expect the availability of the Alti accessories in Q4 2021. Not only do we place extreme value on staying at the forefront of innovation, yet we strive to reduce our overall carbon footprint and launch sustainable solutions. This is why we are very happy to add the CEP series, Energy Star compliant multi-channel amplifiers, to our product portfolio. This both low impedance as 70 to 100 volt amplifier series is designed to deliver high quality amplification distributed over multiple zones, like for instance small offices or school environments. The 1 unit height device comes into two models, starting with the CEP 408, which provides you with 4 times 80 watts, while the CEP 803 provides you with 30 watts each. To make any installation as easy as possible, miniature switches at the back allow you to daisy link inputs from one channel to another by just a single press of a switch. The amplifiers use switching mode power supply with high efficiency Class D technology, delivering you an uncompromised sound experience in a fully passively cooled housing. As proudly explained, the multi-channel amplifier series is Energy Star compliant. Yet, with an enable and disable standby switch, we can configure it to our own needs. We are very happy to inform you that the CEP series is expected for the end of Q3 2021. Lastly, we want to thank you. Thank you for attending and your continuous support. We hope to have inspired you with some of our new solutions. If you have any questions, you can always ask them in the chat or please visit our website audac.eu for more information. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you guys soon.